Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you to live your best life at any age. Today, we're tackling a topic that hits close to home for many of us: fall prevention and improving balance as we age. As we grow older, keeping our balance becomes crucial to maintaining an active and independent lifestyle. So, let's strap on our fitness shoes and embark on this journey towards a safer and more balanced you. Understanding the risks. Did you know that over 25% of adults aged 65 and above experience falls each year? It's a staggering statistic, but we're here to arm you with knowledge and strategies to reduce that risk. Falls can be caused by various factors, including balance and walking problems, medication side effects, home hazards, and even issues with our feet and footwear. Did you know that falls are one of the leading causes of injury and death in older adults? According to recent studies, over 25% of adults aged 65 and above experience falls each year. It's a staggering statistic that highlights the importance of taking preventive measures to reduce the risk of falls. Falls can be caused by a multitude of factors, including balance and walking problems, medication side effects, home hazards, and even issues with our feet and footwear. Understanding these risk factors is crucial in developing strategies to prevent falls and promote safer environments for older adults. To address balance and walking problems, exercises that improve strength, flexibility, and balance can be beneficial. Physical therapy programs tailored to individual needs can also help improve stability and reduce the risk of falls. Medication side effects can also contribute to falls, especially in older adults who may be taking multiple medications. It's important for healthcare professionals to review and monitor medications regularly, adjusting doses or prescribing alternatives if necessary to minimize the risk of falls. Home hazards are another significant factor that can increase the risk of falls. Simple modifications, such as installing handrails, improving lighting, and removing clutter, can make a significant difference in preventing falls at home. Furthermore, issues with feet and footwear should not be overlooked. Ill-fitting shoes or those with worn-out soles can affect balance and increase the risk of tripping and falling. It's essential for older adults to wear properly fitting shoes with good support and non-slip soles to maintain stability while walking. In conclusion, falls among older adults are a serious concern, but with the right knowledge and strategies, they can be prevented. By addressing factors such as balance and walking problems, medication side effects, home hazards, and issues with feet and footwear, we can create safer environments and reduce the risk of falls in this vulnerable population. Let's work together to keep older adults safe and prevent falls from happening. Exercises for improved balance. Now, let's delve into the exciting world of exercises to improve balance. Engaging in regular physical activity is a key component of fall prevention. We'll explore a range of exercises, from simple at-home routines to more advanced workouts, to help you stay steady on your feet. Think walking, water workouts, and Tai Chi, a graceful and gentle exercise form that focuses on slow, flowing movements. Lifestyle changes for fall prevention. Balance exercises alone won't do all the heavy lifting. Making certain lifestyle changes is equally important in preventing falls. We'll discuss the significance of staying physically active, addressing vision changes, managing medications effectively, and creating a safe and well-lit living space. These small adjustments can have a big impact on your mobility. Home modifications for a safer environment. Let's take a closer look at our living spaces and make them fall-proof, shall we? Simple modifications can transform your home into a secure haven. We'll cover removing hazards, optimizing lighting, securing rugs, and improving bathroom safety. Your living space should be your sanctuary, and together, we'll make it a safer one. Assistive tools and support systems. In this shot, we explore the wonders of assistive tools and support systems. From wearable emergency response systems to well-charged cordless phones, we'll discuss the various options available for immediate help in case of a fall. You don't have to face emergencies alone. We'll show you how to stay connected and have peace of mind. Empowerment and conclusion. Remember, my amazing viewers, you have the power to take control of your balance and prevent falls from putting a dent in your independence and zest for life. With the exercises, lifestyle changes, and home modifications covered in this video, you're equipped with the tools to step confidently into the future. I hope you found this video helpful and got some useful tips for your own self-improvement journey. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more self-improvement content coming soon. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.